too.
Nice to meet you. Did you have fun at Chuck-E-Cheese?
Yeah.
What ride did you like the best? The train?
Yeah.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see your prize, your bracelet. Woo, woo, woo. Ooh, what's that? Your soda pop?
Yeah.
What kind is it? Root beer? Yeah. Look at Mom.
Soda.
It's soda?
No.
Yeah, don't open it though. It's root beer. Don't open it, because if you open it, it'll break. Here you go, Rain. Did you have fun, birthday girl? Did you have fun, birthday girl? Yeah, yeah? You have fun? Yeah, yeah? Did you have fun, Rainy?
Me too, Mommy.
Yeah, I did too. How about you, Dolly? Dolly, did you have fun? Show everybody your pretty outfit. So cute. And Raina's outfit says something about the birthday girl loves presents. Her go. I don't know yet. Look at that bow. Hello.
Where's my bow?
Yeah, you look cute. You look cute. Hey, you look cute too. Hey, you too back there. No. You have fun, birthday girl. Did you guys like the pizza?
Yeah.
Did you like the pizza, Rain? Raina. Raina. Raina, did you like the pizza?
You did my cupcake.
What?
My cupcake.
Your cupcake?
Yeah. You leave it.
Well, you ate most of it.
That's mine.
Rain.
What's that?
Raina. That's not all right.
No.
Rain. Rain. Rainy, 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 rainy. Did you like the pizza?
I like pizza.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What? Oh no, we were just talking about the cupcakes. Rainy, did you like your pizza? Did you have a good time, birthday girl?
Me too. Me too.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah? You did, Rosie? That makes me happy.
I can make you happy.
Did you guys like Chuck-E-Cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Bob.
You drop your bob? Don't do that. You're picking her up off the ground. Nah.
Look, a football going up.
Look at your hair. Looks so pretty.
Me too. That one too.
I know. And Rainy's too.
We know too.
So, what was the best thing about Chuck-E-Cheese, girls? Can you stop, please? Your meltdown needs to stop. And we had to go. It was closing.
Oh.
It's okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. Look at Dolly. She had so much fun. She didn't want to leave. She's throwing a meltdown, mad at me.
Leave me alone.
See?
That's Rainer friend? No. She's weird.
Show me your pretty bracelet.
No. See, why so?
So pretty. You like it? It matches your outfit.
Go away.
Wait till you see this back and you're upset with yourself about how you were acting.